This is Isaac Kondo. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of my electrical capstone project and the assembly of the project. So, going here, we have the heart of the unit. We have our solar charge controller. Now, something notable about the charge controller is that during the construction phase, there were some errors that were not able to be rectified in enough time. Thus, it is more than likely that the charge controller will be inoperable during this time. In future iterations, this will be rectified and, of course, implemented into a newer version. Again, we have our Arduino, which is the brain of the modular generator unit. We also have a LED indicator, as well as a 20x4 LCD display, and for external power, we also have a 9-volt battery. In terms of devices, we have a 6-volt, 8 amp hour lead acid battery. We have a 12-volt solar panel. For the uses of this demonstration, I'll be using a lamp as an artificial source of light. We also have our output. So now that everything is connected, I'm going to connect my 9-volt battery to the VIN port of the Arduino Nano. And subsequently close. Just disconnected on there. There we go. One more time. And going to close it. As well, it is notable to mention that these are the terminals for the different devices. We have our solar panel terminal, we have our battery terminal, as well as our output terminals. And these are connected to subsequent terminals within the solar charge controller. So as we close it, you can see that the unit does work and does turn on. So at this point, I'm just going to screw in the screws of the unit. And now I'm going to start connecting my devices. So if we look here, for the solar panel terminal connections, I've created these leads to make it easier for the terminals to be connected to the solar panel. So over here, I'm just going to quickly test that my voltage is up using my multimeter. we can see that we're getting about 5 volts, depending on the amount of light carried on the panel. So about 5.5, 5.4 volts. And at this point, I'm just going to connect the terminals. Connecting the batteries now. Negative to negative, positive to positive. And that's the connection for the batteries done. The last thing to connect would be the output of the device. And of course it takes minutes to connect this. And that is the connection for the modular generator unit. Of course there's no voltage on the panels of the output of the unit, due to the fact that there is still an error on the charge controller circuit, but this will soon be rectified with different iterations of the charge controller circuit. So this is just a brief overview of how to connect the Capstone project and the different facets of an operation of the unit. So at this point I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to watch this, and thank you very much.